Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cooling vests that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. Whether you're working outdoors, cycling, or just looking for relief from the summer heat, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Cool Vest Personal Cooling by Glacier Tech. This vest is designed for those who need consistent cooling for extended periods, offering a steady 59 degrees Fahrenheit cooling temperature for up to 2.5 hours. It comes with 8 rechargeable cool packs that can be recharged in just 30 minutes, making it a convenient option for those on the go. The cooling packs use a phase change material that's non-toxic and long-lasting, which is a big plus for environmentally conscious users. In terms of design, the Glacier Tech Cool Vest is lightweight and adjustable, catering to various body sizes. The vest is constructed from durable and breathable materials, which makes it suitable for outdoor activities like cycling or gardening. With its focus on maintaining a consistent temperature, this vest is particularly ideal for individuals with heat sensitivity due to medical conditions. However, the vest's main drawback is its relatively higher price point compared to other options in the market, and the cooling duration may not be sufficient for extended outdoor sessions. Still, if you're looking for a vest that offers consistent cooling and quick recharge times, the Glacier Tech Cool Vest is a solid pick. Pros include its steady cooling temperature and quick recharge time, while cons are its limited cooling duration and unknown price. At number 4, we have the Cooling Vest for Men and Women by ChillSwift. This adjustable ice vest is designed to cater to a wide range of body sizes, from S to XXL, and it includes 8 reusable ice packs. It's perfect for outdoor activities like motorcycling, gardening, or even mascot performances, providing a cooling solution for up to a few hours. The design of the ChillSwift vest is lightweight and ergonomic, ensuring that it doesn't restrict movement, even during high-intensity activities. The included ice packs are strategically placed to maximize cooling around the body's core, which is a thoughtful touch. The adjustability of the vest makes it suitable for both men and women, and its versatility is one of its standout features. On the downside, the cooling effect heavily depends on the ice packs, which need to be frozen beforehand, meaning you'll have to plan ahead. Additionally, the lack of detailed pricing information makes it harder to assess its value compared to other options. Nevertheless, its adjustability, lightweight construction, and focus on versatility make it a great choice for those looking for an all-purpose cooling solution. Pros include its wide adjustability and lightweight design, while cons are the dependency on pre-frozen ice packs and the lack of price transparency. At number 2, we have the FlexiFreeze Personal Series Ice Vest. This vest is a standout for its lightweight and low-profile design, weighing just 3.5 pounds and measuring less than an inch thick. It features 96 pure water ice cubes integrated into removable panels that provide efficient cooling while maintaining flexibility and mobility. This makes it an excellent choice for active users who need freedom of movement. The vest is constructed from soft neoprene material, which provides insulation to keep the ice packs cool longer and focuses the cooling effect on your body. The adjustable fit is designed to accommodate a wide range of sizes, from XS to 6XL, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit for almost anyone. Additionally, the vest is machine washable after removing the ice packs, making maintenance a breeze. On the downside, the vest's reliance on ice cubes requires pre-planning, as the ice packs need to be frozen before use. Furthermore, the cooling duration might not be sufficient for extended outdoor work. But if you're looking for a lightweight, flexible option for moderate cooling needs, the FlexiFreeze Ice Vest is a fantastic choice. Pros include its lightweight design and wide adjustability, while cons are the need for pre-frozen ice packs and limited cooling duration. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ergodyne Chillits 6665 Evaporative Cooling Vest. This vest earns the top spot for its affordability, simplicity, and effectiveness. Priced at just $30.68, It's one of the most budget-friendly options available, making it accessible for a wide range of users. The vest uses evaporative cooling technology, which means you simply soak it in water, wring it out, and wear it for instant cooling relief. The lightweight design ensures comfort and breathability, making it a great choice for outdoor workers, athletes, or anyone needing a cooling solution during hot weather. The material is durable and easy to maintain, and the vest is available in multiple sizes to fit a variety of body types. Its simplicity is its greatest strength, as it doesn't rely on ice packs or batteries, making it highly portable and convenient. However, the cooling effect is limited to the evaporation process, which may not be ideal for extremely humid climates. Additionally, it requires periodic re-soaking to maintain its cooling effect. Still, for its price and overall ease of use, the Ergodyne Chillits 6665 is our top pick. Pros include its affordability and simplicity, while cons are its reliance on evaporation and limited effectiveness in humid conditions. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.